Does the Food and Drug Administration approve dietary supplements? The answer to that is absolutely no. If you have a dietary supplement you want to market to the American people, you do not have to go to the Food and Drug Administration and say, oh, please, FDA, can you please approve my supplement before I can sell it to people? The answer to that is absolutely not. What I think people are confusing when they ask this question is, does the FDA regulate dietary supplements? And the answer to that question is absolutely yes. There is a regulation that companies have to abide by if they want to sell dietary supplements. That regulation is titled the Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act, and it was signed into law by Bill Clinton way back in 1992. And so you can see this for yourself. If you really want to read the definition of a dietary supplement, what the regulations are, it goes by the acronym DSHEA. And again, you can type in the letters to any search engine, see this for yourself. A dietary supplement is anything other than tobacco intended to supplement the diet and bears or contains one or more of the following ingredients: a vitamin, a mineral, an herb, or botanical, an amino acid, a dietary substance for use by humans to supplement the diet by increasing total dietary intake, a metabolite, constituent, extract, combination, or any ingredient described above, and also anything related, call it a dietary supplement. So you get the point. Big, long, lengthy definition of what a dietary supplement is. If you can find it in nature, you can probably call it a dietary supplement. Now, one exception to this is if there is a substance a company wants to include in their products that has really not been seen before. That's deemed as a new dietary ingredient, or an NDI. That's what the FDA calls it. And in that case, yes, companies would have to show proof to the FDA that that new dietary ingredient is safe for humans, and they'd have to provide some safety data on that. In other words, put some skin in the game, do a little bit of research, and make sure it's safe before they put it in a supplement. So that is basically it. No to approval, yes to regulations. Got any other questions? Leave them below.